Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Windows blue screen error code fix your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type BCD edit, find your boot drive and Windows installed drive, in my case boot is EFI, Windows installed drive is C drive. Type DISM space, /image /c /space, /cleanup -image space, /revert pending actions. Exit and restart system. Second method is click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type SFC space, /scanno. CHKDSK space, /F space, /X space, /R space, Windows installed drive letter. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.